Canary Wharf has a secret rooftop garden and it's completely free. But that is just spot number 1. I found 5 hidden gems in Canary Wharf that tourists walk past every single day. A secret museum, local food market, peaceful escapes, all budget friendly.
The Canary Wharf is a very beautiful place. Everyone should come check this place out.
As an introvert exploring London, these are the spots that made me fall in love with this city all over again. So if you are ready to see the Canary Wharf that nobody talks about, let's begin. So, I am starting at Elizabeth Line, one of London's newest and busiest stations. And I will be following this sign that points up. And trust me, what's waiting for me at the top, absolutely worth the 3-minute walk. When I arrived at the garden, the first thing I noticed was how quiet it is. Like you're literally above one of London's busiest stations, but up here, pure calmness. And there is the massive glass ceiling. Honestly, it feels like we are walking into a futuristic greenhouse. I really wasn't expecting there to be actual tropical plants in the middle of Canary Wharf. Behind the garden, you'll find lifts. Another thing I love about this glass ceiling is the fact that you can have stunning, breathtaking city views. Guys, this rooftop garden is chill, place to chill when you want to like rest your head from all the noise. You know, I'm actually loving it here. The most fascinating thing about this garden is that it is completely free to get in. Like, you don't have to pay a dime. So, after soaking in that rooftop peace, I headed to another part of Canary Wharf that most people completely miss. This is the Museum of London Docklands, tucked inside a 200-year-old warehouse that was used to store sugar and coffee back when London's docks literally ran the world. And guess what? It is completely free. Oh my God, looks scary. Now, I'm actually a typical museum person. Like, I love a good exhibit. So when I heard about this place, I was genuinely excited. It's got the history, the dock equipment, the trading records. The building itself is stunning. But if I am being real, I was expecting a bit more wow moments. It's interesting, don't get me wrong, but not as many standout artifacts as I thought there would be. The museum is still worth a quick visit if you're into London history. Plus, it's free and quiet. Can't beat that. What's your name?
My name is Kendrick.
Kendrick. Okay, Kendrick. So, is it your first time in Canary Wharf?
This area, yes.
Okay. So, what do you think? What's your experience so far?
I think it's a really, really beautiful place. I like whatever's happening right here. I like these little chill in general.
Okay. So, do you think it's very expensive? Because many people who live in London don't want to live in Canary Wharf because it feels expensive. What do you think about that? Do you feel it's good to live or just for sightseeing and tourism purposes?
I'm not very familiar with the prices around here, but it's a very nice place to live. But if it's like too expensive, I wouldn't live here. Okay. But it's a very nice place to like come visit as a tourist.
Okay. And do you live in London?
At the moment, yes. Okay. I'm living around Stratford area. Yeah.
Okay. So how often do you visit Canary Wharf?
Not really. I just like walk around and then see what's happening. So.
Okay. And what would you tell people about Canary Wharf? Would you encourage them to visit?
Definitely. Canary Wharf is a very beautiful place. Everyone should come check this place out.
Thank you so much.
All right. Have a good one.
Cargo market hall. And this is where Canary Wharf workers actually eat. It is a massive food market that has different fast food restaurants like Black Bear Burger to the other popular ones. The best part is you can actually eat in this restaurant like a local without the London price shock. And just in front of the restaurant is this view right here. Cabot Place is a massive shopping center in Canary Wharf. Locals and tourists come to shop here. And I'm making a quick stop at Zara. The price is a bit expensive than the regular high street prices. Of course, I was expecting that. It's Canary Wharf, and this one is Canada Place. It is another major shopping center in Canary Wharf, and it's interconnected to Cabot Place. It is very busy, and I'm here on a weekend. What else can I say? It has so many stores, and you can literally find everything here. The market hall cargo, where they sell street food. You don't know where it is?
This place is quite huge, you know?
Yeah.
If you want to look for the food shops, I would suggest you just go to the other door and go down, keep walking.
This way?
Yeah, this way, the other door. This is the door,
Okay.
and the other door, you know? Other
Oh,
side.
yeah, straight down. That's
Straight.
to go within.
Yeah, and then go down, one step down.
Oh, okay.
And then keep walking, they have plenty of food shops.
Shop, so okay, so I'll go straight down. Thank you. I'm trying this detoxifying tea for the first time.
I hope you'll like it.
Yeah, I hope I like it as well. I actually forgot the name she called it. Spot 5 could be my favorite spot, because how can a park this peaceful exist right in the middle of all these skyscrapers? Jubilee Park is located right above Jubilee train station and Jubilee Mall, which is another notable shopping center in Canary Wharf. So this is where I actually come to recharge sometimes when I'm overwhelmed in crowded London spots. From the peaceful rooftop garden to the stories of Docklands Museum, these aren't just tourist spots. They are where London feels real. Canary Wharf definitely is worth a visit. As someone who explores this city alone, finding these quiet, budget-friendly gems is actually what makes living here worth it. Which spots are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you know any other hidden London gems, please let me know in the comments. I am always looking for my next adventure. Thank you so much for exploring with me. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.